everybody and welcome to a video here on my channel all about free patterns. Today I am bringing to you 15 patterns which I think are amazing for spring. Okay, so without further ado, let us start and jump straight into it. Okay, so the first one is Cool Stitches Elliot front tie top. This is an amazing top for spring. Cool Stitches has released this for free. It is a beautiful pattern. She has a video as well, so definitely check that out. And moving on, Pua tank top from Paradise Pattern. This is such a basic top, but I feel like vest tops are so great for spring because you can layer them with like a denim jacket, high-waisted jeans, or like a really nice skirt. So definitely check it out. Perfect basic kind of pattern. So the next one is the Augustina top from Fabric Store. This is such a classic kind of top. It is boxy and breezy and something you can wear so many ways. I feel like linen would be such a great fabric for this top. Alright, so I thought I'd bring you a nice t-shirt pattern as well. I have the Hemlock tee pattern from Grainline Studio. This is such a relaxed, boxy t-shirt, and you can have it like stripy and with a pair of jeans. It will look really good. So check it out, you know, we're moving quickly through this. I do not want to bore myself or you. So I'm moving on to skirts. Number one skirt I'd love to recommend to you, which is again a free pattern, is the silk skirt from this company called Grasser. This is like a classic kind of slip skirt. I'm telling you, slip skirts are going nowhere. They're so beautiful, so classic. You can wear them with a t-shirt and a pair of trainers and it will look really good, or you can like elevate them with like a nice blazer and high heels and go out for a meal, you know, when the world opens up again for you, and you would look so good. Then the next one, which is I'm so excited about this one, is like a ruffle skirt from So Magazine, and it's like high-waisted and midi ruffle skirt. I've actually bought some fabric for it, but yeah, such a great pattern. I feel like you could wear a nice ruffle skirt with a crop top and you're like good to go. Okay, so in the skirts category, we've got the Essentials Club skirt. This is not a pattern, it's more of a tutorial, but I love this skirt because it is the ultimate spring summer skirt. Like, I can imagine again this skirt in a linen with a nice cool buttons on the side, a crop t-shirt, or like a bikini top, and just like strolling on the beach, a sunset, with your dog or with your friend, or with, you know, FaceTiming someone, or to be honest with you, with the love of your life if you've got one. It is the perfect strolling skirt. That's all I'm gonna say. Now that's a lot of skirts. I've given you 1, 2, 3, 4. But my friend, skirts are gorgeous and they're all different vibes, and you can never have too many skirts, okay? Because each skirt is for each mood, and each mood is for a different vibe. So skirts are good. You know it. I know it. The next pattern I'd love to talk about is a jacket pattern, and it is the Paola Workwear jacket. It is the perfect pattern. It's like boxy, slightly oversized. Here's something I found. White denim jackets are so good to have in your wardrobe. But ever since I bought my white denim jacket, I wear it with absolutely everything, and it works with everything. And the white just like elevates my look, and like I've worn it with dresses, and I've worn it with like jeans and shorts and everything you can think of. I wear it. So I would recommend you try this pattern with white denim. I feel like it will give this pattern so much shelf life. Yeah, so that's my recommendation. Oh no. Okay, I thought I deleted all my notes. That scared me. I'm feeling good. Okay, so now I want to talk to you about a pair of trousers that I think are such a great pattern, and that is the wide leg pants from Peppermint magazine. Imagine this pair of triceps with like gingham and then like a print t-shirt and then maybe like a bucket hat and Converse. I feel like that would be such a statement outfit, but that's the kind of things you can do with this pattern. Alright, so moving on to loungewear. I've got two loungewear sets. The first one is loungewear set from Peppermint magazine. A boxy top and like elasticated trousers. I saw this set in like this dusty pink linen on Instagram, and it just looks so cozy and so relaxing. Like it just looks like perfect for sitting on your couch with a bowl of popcorn watching Shrek, which is what I'm about to do tonight. But yeah, like super comfy, super cozy. And I know we're all sick of our loungewear and we're all like, oh, freedom, I want to dress up and go out with my friends. But guess what? Guess what happens after you've gone out and you've lived your best life out with your friends? You come back home and what do? You need a loungewear set. You need cozy, you need comfy. So if you haven't gone ahead and like sewn yourself a loungewear set, highly recommend this pattern. My number 2 option for a loungewear set. This is more like a pajama, like grown-up pajama set. Like this is the kind of pajamas I can imagine an LA mom wearing in her mansion after she's fed her child, and she's like wearing it and feeling classy, and she's about to do like a facial or something. Like this is like grown-up lady in pajamas, and I'm here for it because anything that makes me feel classy and fancy, I love. I think they're called Devin linen pajamas from the fabric store. Yeah, I feel like these pajamas are like legit grown-up vibes. Woo! Alright, so I thought I'd throw in a jumpsuit for anyone who loves jumpsuit and would love to make a jumpsuit. And this is again from the Peppermint magazine, and it's like so relaxed. I keep mentioning linen, but I feel like linen is the perfect spring fabric, but this in a pair of linen with a t-shirt or a jacket with some trainers, and you're ready for a day out at the park with a sandwich in your mouth, walking and being like, woo, the sunshine is hitting my face, I'm feeling glorious. That's the scenario I imagine this jumpsuit in. And now I'm gonna give you 2 dresses. I only have 2 dresses for you in this video, mainly because I wanna do a video that has like 10 free dress patterns for summer. So I wanna put my energy there because I feel like dresses are the bomb. I love dresses and I wanna make a different video for that. Hopefully that's okay, don't come after me. Hopefully that's okay. The first one is from Rosery Apparel. She's here on YouTube. Definitely check her out. She's really kind and released a free pattern. And if you've seen my tiered linen dress, I think you can make something similar with her pattern. And then the next one is the Essentials Club slip dress. I've actually made this slip dress, so I totally can recommend it. It's not a pattern, but it's more of a tutorial. Check her out on YouTube. And I love this tutorial. Very straightforward, and the dress you end up with is glorious. Okay, so that kind of finishes up my 15 patterns. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you found this very useful. I plan on sewing some of these patterns, so stay tuned for upcoming videos. But yeah, I wanted to give you something that you guys would go ahead and just like download and start working on. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting this channel. Thank you for commenting. Honestly, I love being here on YouTube, and you guys make it so much fun. Yeah. Woo, Merry Christmas. Yeah, I think we're done.